It all begins with an idea. Bringing it to life requires great care and technical expertise. Its realization must be attentively calculated and be guided by precise processes. But above all, it requires an attention to detail that can only come from a great passion. Bilstein Group Engineering. Precision is our passion. As the manufacturing core of the Bilstein Group, we belong to a family-run company, independent and internationally known. We combine centuries of experience and technical know-how in metalworking using state-of-the-art machines with the goal of continuous improvement. As a result, extraordinary products, which are manufactured with a high degree of precision, are created for applications where the utmost quality and reliability are required, such as the automotive industry and mechanical engineering. Regardless of whether it concerns shafts, connecting elements, complete assemblies or housings, the solution-oriented competence and flexibility of our employees make Bilstein Group Engineering the ideal partner for the entire process chain. Working together with our customers, we strive to find the best possible solutions to fit their needs. Bilstein Group Engineering always has the best result in mind. Not only do we manufacture with precision and professionalism, we also cover the entire spectrum of machining with a variety of manufacturing technologies. Our in-house assembly department enables us to be a system supplier. Here we focus on continuous process optimization and innovative procedures, certified, and with the assistance of a strict quality assurance process. As a result, we can guarantee the safety and functionality of our components even when they must meet the highest demands. This allows us the opportunity to offer our customers even higher quality in the future. This is what we believe to be holistic production, where an idea transforms into something unique. Bilstein Group Engineering, precisely designed, passionately made.